Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the Dia Muertos kit pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the Siempre Vivos jersey you can get from this game, the day of the dead from Mexico. This is a part of Halloween event. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge DeFi, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button, and also you can tap this live events and this one. Dia de Muertos kit pack. Tap purchase limit 1. You can only purchase this one time only. So this is the Siempre Vivos. You can read it. Siempre Vivos. Unlock a new kit. Go to setting to change your kit. If you got this, you can exchange this jersey or kit pack only with 80 Sempasuchil. Currently, I got 5. So this Sempasuchil you can earn from quest and challenge mode messages and use to exchange for player and other Dia de Muertos item. This is part of the item. So if you're interested to exchange or interested to use this new jersey from Dia de Muertos event, you can do it here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.